In the last session, we have already discussed about the length of the perpendicular distance from pole to tangent and angle between the polar curves and solving the procedure of solving the examples that we have already discussed in the previous session. So in this session, before going to exactly the problems, the basic needed formulas that is based on the allied and compound angle trigonometric formulas that will be needed for the further simplification of the example. Just recall the those allied angles and compound angles here. We already know that the sine of 90 minus theta, sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, and same as it is sine of 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, cos of 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta, tan of 90 plus theta equal to minus cot theta, cot of 90 plus theta equal to minus tan theta. And also the compound formulas, the tan of pi by 4 plus theta equal to 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Similarly, cot of pi by 4 plus theta equal to 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. All these trigonometric formulas that we have already discussed in the your previous years in the second PUC. And also the some more formulas will be needed, that is 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Those will be called your half angles. Sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. All these formulas will be discussed in your PU level only. We just recall that those formulas to remember, just to recall all those formulas of the trigonometry. So based on these some basic trigonometric formulas, now we are going to solve the examples, and the example will be asked in the manner: find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Find the radius vector and tangent for the following examples. In that the first one is r raised to m equal to a raised to m of cos of m theta plus sin of m theta. To find the solution of the example, first procedure of solving is taking a log on both sides. Take a log on both sides of the equation. Then the equation becomes m into log r equal to m into log a plus log of cos of m theta plus sin of m theta. Log of cos of m theta plus sin of m theta. This will be applied log of a into b. That is log of a into b equal to log a plus log b. So m into log r, m into log a plus log of cos m theta plus sin m theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta. We get a m is your constant, keep as it is. Derivative of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Derivative of m into log a. M is constant, log a is also constant. M into log a derivative will be 0. Derivative of log is 1 by function cos m theta plus sin m theta. into derivative of cos m theta is minus m into sin m theta plus derivative of sin m theta is m into cos m theta. Take a m as a common, take a m outside. So remaining is cos m theta minus sin m theta whole divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta, m into 1 by r dr by d theta. Cancel a m on both sides. 1 by r dr by d theta can be replaced by cot of phi. Now take a cos m theta in both numerator and denominator of the function. If you take the cos m theta as a common, remaining is 1 minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta becomes tan of m theta. In the denominator also take a cos m theta as a common. Remaining is 1 plus sin m theta divided by cos m theta is again the tan m theta. Cos m theta get cancelled. 1 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta is nothing but the cot of pi by 4 plus m theta. Cot of pi by 4 plus m theta, that is using our previous basic formulas. 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta equal to cot pi by 4 plus theta. Instead of theta here it is m theta. Now the comparison of the LHS and RHS, we declare that phi equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. That is the angle between the radius vector and tangent. Come to the next example here. 1 by r equal to 1 plus e into cos theta. Take a log on both sides. Take a log on both sides. Log of L divided by r. So L divided by r means log of L minus log of r equal to log of 1 plus e into cos theta. So L by r equal to 1 plus e cos theta. For the L by r, take a log on both sides. When you take a log on both sides, log of L by r is equal to log L minus log r. That is the formula of log a by b. So log a by b equal to log a minus log b, log of 1 plus e cos theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, we get derivative of log L is 0. Derivative of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Derivative of log of the function is 1 by 1 plus e cos theta into derivative of 1 plus e cos theta is derivative of 1 is 0. E is constant, keep as it is. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Cancel a minus sign on both sides. 1 by r dr by d theta equal to cot phi e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta. Here we cannot apply any formula for these two terms here because they contain the e. So we cannot apply the formula directly for 1 plus e cos theta here. So there is no further simplification can be possible. We can write it as tan phi equal to 1 plus e cos theta divided by e sin theta, reciprocal of the cot. So that the phi equal to tan inverse of 1 plus e cos theta divided by e sin theta, that is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent here, because there is no simplification is possible. Therefore 1 plus e cos theta divided by e sin theta is equal to tan phi. So phi equal to tan inverse of 1 plus e cos theta divided by e sin theta here. So take on the one more example on this here, that is r square cos 2 theta equal to a square. Take a log on both sides. R square into cos, that is log a into log b, that is log a plus log b. So 2 log r plus log of cos 2 theta 2 into log a. So differentiating with respect to r, 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta Derivative of log is 1 by function into derivative of cos 2 theta is minus 2 sin 2 theta. Derivative of 2 into log a is 0. Take a 2 on both sides common and send it outside, or take RHS onto the both side. Take this term onto the RHS. 2 by r into dr by d theta equal to, take if this minus sign on the RHS side, then it becomes plus. So 2 sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Cancel a 2 on both sides. 1 by r dr by d theta becomes a cot phi. Sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta becomes a tan 2 theta. Now convert a tan in terms of cot here. By using the previous basic properties, tan equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 2 theta equal to tan 2 theta. By the comparison of both an LHS and RHS, we get a phi equal to 90 minus 2 theta. That is angle between the radius vector and tangent here. Now the four questions will be asked the same in the different manner, that is, they will be given some indicated angles. They will mention some angle for the t theta. So we just have to use the theta for the angle between the radius vector and tangent here. So next kind of the example is find the angle between the radius vector and tangent as indicated. As indicated means they mention some angles in the question here. For example, find the angle between the radius vector and tangent for 2a divided by r equal to 1 minus cos theta at a theta equal to 2 pi by 3. Find the angle between the radius vector and tangent of the curve 2a divided by r equal to 1 minus cos theta at a theta equal to 2 pi by 3 here. So 2a divided by r equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Take a log on both sides. So log of a by b formula is applied in the LHS. So log of 2a minus log of r equal to log of 1 minus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, 2 log of 2a will be 0. Derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Derivative of log is 1 minus cos theta. Derivative of 1 minus cos theta is sin theta here. Now apply the formula for the both numerator and denominator of the function. Sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 sin is cancelled. Cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 equal to cot of theta by 2. Now comparison, minus 1 by r dr by d theta. Minus 1 by r dr by d theta can be replaced by minus cot of phi equal to cot theta. We know that by the angle of the trigonometry, minus cot pi can be written as cot of minus pi equal to cot of theta. By the comparison, minus pi equal to theta or phi equal to minus theta. Cot of theta by 2. First we applied the log on both sides, and on differentiating we get a minus 1 by r dr by t theta equal to cot theta by 2. Now minus 1 by r dr by t theta, 1 by r dr by d theta can be replaced by cot phi. Keep a cot theta by 2 as it is. Minus cot phi can be written as cot of minus phi. So that minus phi equal to theta by 2. So that the phi equal to minus theta by 2. And angle mentioned is 2 pi by 3. Just replace the theta here. Minus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2. Cancel a 2 on both sides. And we get a phi equal to minus pi by 3. That is angle between the radius vector and tangent. At particular mentioned angle is theta equal to 2 pi by 3. So next example is on the same manner. Find out the angle between the radius vector and tangent for the curve are equal to cos square theta by 2 equal to a for the angle theta equal to 2 pi by 3. So take a log on both sides, again log a into log b, that is log r plus 2 into log of cos theta by 2 equal to log a. Differentiating with respect to theta, derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Keep a 2 as it is. Derivative of log of the function is 1 by function into derivative of cos is minus sin theta by 2 into derivative of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. Derivative of log a is 0. Cancel a 2 on both sides. Minus sin theta by 2, 1 by r dr by d theta, 1 by r dr by d theta equal to, send this minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 on the RHS, minus becomes plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. 1 by r dr by d theta is nothing but the cot phi. Now the tan theta by 2 can be written in terms of the cot, like a cot of 90 minus theta by 2. By the comparison of on both LS and RHS, we get a phi equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Angle theta is mentioned as 2 pi by 3 here. So replace the theta. 2 pi by 3 whole divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. Pi by 2 minus pi by 3. Take a LCM and simplify. We get a pi by 6, that is 30 degree. Therefore phi equal to pi by 6 is your angle between the radius vector and tangent for the given curve at angle theta equal to 2 pi by 3 here. So that is how to simplify the examples, that is of the kind. Find the angle between the radius vector and tangent for the curves. Simply for the curve or particularly for indicated angle or mentioned indicated theta. So next kind of the example is show that the following curves intersect each other orthogonally. Show that the following curves intersect each other orthogonally. So in that the first one is r equal to a of 1 plus cos theta and r equal to b of 1 minus cos theta. We know the procedure, that is find the angle for both the curves by considering those angles as the phi 1 and phi 2 and take the subtractions of the angle, that is xi 1 minus xi 2. That will give you the angle between the two curves. That is the procedure of solving the example here. First take a log on here. Log r equal to log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta. Log a into log b. Log of ab is log a plus log b. Derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Derivative of log a is 0. Derivative of log is 1 by 1 plus cos theta. Derivative of 1 plus cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancelled. 1 cos will be cancelled here. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 can be written as minus tan theta by 2 minus 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as cot phi here. Minus tan theta can be written as cot of 90 plus theta by 2, that is a cot phi 1. Take as a cot phi 1. Therefore phi 1 equal to 90 plus theta by 2. Now come for another curve. Follow the same procedure. Take a log on both sides. log r equal to log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Derivative of log b is 0. Derivative of log of the function is 1 by function into derivative of the function is sin theta. So sin theta can be written as the 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cancelled. 1 sin get cancelled. Cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 written as cot theta by 2. In the LHS, 1 by r dr by d theta can be replaced by cot of phi 2 here. So cot of phi 2 equal to cot of theta by 2. Therefore, phi 2 equal to theta by 2. Now the angle of intersection. Therefore, angle of intersection equal to. Therefore, angle of intersection is equal to phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2 is equal to phi by 2. If the angle between the two curves is equal to 90, that indicates the curves intersect each other orthogonally. That is the condition for the orthogonality of the curves. In this kind of the examples, two curves will be given, that is r equal to a of 1 plus cos theta, r equal to b of 1 minus cos theta. In this kind of the examples, first we have to take a log on both sides of both the curves, and then we have to differentiate with respect to theta, and we have to find the angles for both the curves. Those will be considered as xi1 and xi2 here. After finding the xi1 and xi2, we find the angle of intersection by taking the modulus of xi1 minus xi2. We get the angle pi by 2 here. If we get the angle of intersection is 90, that indicates angle between the two curves, if it is 90, that indicates the two curves are intersect each other orthogonally here. So take down the next example. So then the next example, that is r raised to n equal to a raised to n cos n theta. R raised to n equal to a raised to n cos n theta. R raised to n equal to b raised to n sin n theta. First take a log on both sides. Log of r raised to n equal to n into log r. Here apply the log of ab, that is log a plus log b. Log of a raised to n equal to n into log a plus log of cos n theta. Derivative of the equation with respect to theta. Keep a n as it is. Derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. N is constant, log a is constant, the derivative will be 0. Derivative of log of cos n theta. Derivative of log is 1 by cos n theta into derivative of cos n theta is minus n into sin n theta. Cancel n on both sides. 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as cot of phi 1 minus sin n theta divided by cos n theta becomes tan n theta. Convert the minus tan n theta in terms of cot by the formula cot of 90 plus n theta. By the comparison on both sides, phi 1 equal to 90 plus n theta. Come for the same procedure for another curve. Take a log on both sides. N of log r equal to n into log b plus log of sin n theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, n by r dr by d theta. N log b derivative will be 0. Derivative of log of sin n theta is cos n theta divided by sin n theta, means log of the function is 1 by function. Derivative of sin is cos. Derivative of log of sin n theta. Derivative of log is 1 by sin. Derivative of sin is cos here. So, derivative of sin n theta is cos n theta into n. Cancel n on both sides. 1 by r dr by d theta equal to cot of phi 2. Cosine theta divided by sin n theta equal to cot of n theta. So phi 2 equal to n theta. Angle of intersection, therefore angle of intersection equal to phi 1 minus phi 2. Phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to 90 plus n theta minus n theta. N theta get cancelled, 90. Therefore the angle of intersection is 90 here. Therefore curves intersect each other orthogonally here. Come for the third one here. So here r equal to 4 into sec square theta by 2. R equal to 4 into sec square theta by 2. Another one r equal to 9 into cosec square theta by 2. First take a log on both sides of the equations. So take a log on both sides. Log r equal to 4 is constant. So log 4 plus log of sec square theta by 2 is nothing but a 2 sec theta by 2. So derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Derivative of log 4 is 0. 2 into derivative of log of sec theta by 2 is 1 by sec theta by 2. Derivative of sec theta by 2 is sec theta by 2 into tan theta by 2 into derivative of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 cancelled, sec cancelled, tan theta by 2 equal to 1 by r dr by d theta is nothing but the cot of phi 1. So phi 1 equal to theta by 2. Sorry, convert a tan in terms of cot of 90 minus theta by 2. So therefore by the comparison phi 1 equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So next one, log r equal to 9 cosec square theta by 2. Take a log on both sides. Log r equal to log of 9 plus 2 into log of cosec theta by 2. Differentiating with respect to theta, derivative of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Derivative of log 9 is 0 plus 2 into log of cosec theta by 2. That is 1 by cosec theta by 2 into derivative of cosec is minus cosec into cot. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec theta by 2 into cot theta by 2 into derivative of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 cancelled. Cosec cancelled. Minus cot theta by 2. 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as cot of phi 2. Cot of phi 2 equal to minus cot theta by 2. That can be written as cot of minus theta by 2. That is cot of phi 2 here. So therefore phi 2 equal to minus theta by 2. Now the angle of intersection between the curves is phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to, that is 90 minus theta by 2 minus pi 2 equal to minus theta by 2. Minus of minus becomes plus, theta by 2 cancelled. Angle between the curves is 90. Therefore curves intersect each other orthogonally.